Hi everyone, happy Monday. It is December 7th. So last week I sent out some weekly announcements, and here are this week's announcements. Plus, we get to find out what your favorite holiday character was. We had a kind of a voting question for you as to whether or not Frosty was your favorite winter character or Rudolph. So we'll get to that too. All right, so it is Monday, December 7th. And when we start our week out, we always start with the pledge. So I'm going to put my hand on my heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, that's how we always start our weeks off. So all right, so this week we do have some more fun dress up days. So tomorrow is December 8th and it's Elf Day. So if you have anything with an elf on it or an elf, like an elf costume, you can certainly wear that. Wednesday, we are having something called Team Theme Day. For you, it could be your class color day. So when you are meeting with your class or your teachers, you can wear your class color. Thursday is wear something flannel or plaid. And a lot of times in the winter we wear flannel because it's kind of a little bit warmer and keeps us a little bit warmer on those colder December days. And then this Friday, December 11th is your favorite sports team day. So you can wear something or maybe make something that shows your favorite sports team. So those are our days this week. All right. The winner is Rudolph. So my voting question last week was, what was your favorite winter character, holiday character? And you chose Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. So I have a new question this week. So here is this week's voting question. What is your favorite winter activity? Sledding or building a snowman? So you can click on the link. Your moms and dads can help you, and you can vote for either sledding or building a snowman. And then next week we will find out what your favorite winter activity is. All right, boys and girls, remember to be doing your specialist activities. All right, check in with Miss Hoffman, Mrs. Demmer, Mrs. Larson, and Mrs. Smithers, first and second graders. And kindergarten, make sure you're checking in on what Mrs. Pompey or Mrs. Krings is having you do as well. All right, boys and girls, remember to be a star. Be safe, use teamwork, take pride, be responsible, show respect. We can do that if we're in school, if we're at home, if we're in the community. Everywhere we go, we know we can always be a star. So we miss seeing you in school. We hope that we will get to be back very soon. Until then, have fun answering my voting question this week. And have a great rest of your week.